To draw a mandala, you need a compass, a protractor, a ruler, a sharpened pencil, drawing pens such as Unipen 0.2, and white A5 paper or cardboard. First step is to trace a mandala grid, so start by taking the center of your paper, then trace a horizontal and vertical line crossing the center of your paper. Trace 4 circles of the following radii: 2, 4, 6, and 5 centimeters. Now, to trace the grid lines, mark a point using the protractor every 10 degrees and trace grid lines that cross the center. Step 2 is to fill the mandala grid with basic shapes. First, we will start by tracing double-pointed petals on each 2 grid sections of the first circle. Then trace arc petals on each grid section of the second circle. Trace petals on each 2 grid sections of the third circle. Trace 1 teardrop between each 2 petals. Then on the last circle, draw 1 pointed petal on each 2 grid sections. Third step is to fill the basic shapes with different patterns.